Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about some of the string method as a cart art. There is a two uppercase, lowercase, and also they have some of the string finder, right? That is a string finder method as a includes the start with and the end with. Now I want to discuss about another some of the string finder. Better I want to show you that things with the live example. I want to remove everything. Like there is a hi, my name is Ariyan, right? I want to use another repeat keyword. Okay, I want to repeat another repeat keyword as a hi. Like there is a two hi, right? They have the two hi. Great. So now I want to load another method that is one of the string finder method. I want to use it as a search. Okay, search. So into the search area here, it should be search how many time or this same keyword, that means a repeated keyword in here. So it should be search it. Like here I have the repeated keyword as a hi, right? I want to use it as a hi. So now if you click as a save all, and after that if you now click as a refresh, now you can see it's now display as a 0. Why actually is display as a 0? That means when you add as a search and when you add that your repeated keywords, and here I pass that our repeated keyword, so here it should be search. Okay, it should be search in our first total value, and into this value area it should be get our first index. Okay, that means the first h1 index it should be get. So you can see here our first index is the same as a h means that 0 index. For the reasons it's now display as a 0 index. And also there is another method, as IndexOf. So IndexOf and then search actually the same things. Better I copy it and then I paste it. So now I want to load another method as IndexOf. Okay, that is IndexOf method. So into this IndexOf method, when you pass and see our repeated keyword, so that is our repeated keyword. So into the repeated keyword area, that is our first occurrence. That is a first occurrence happening for the repeated in here, right? So that is a first occurrence. First occurrence, our first index data it will be get. So our first occurrence here, there is a hi, and then hi, that means that is our first one. And first occurrence, our first index, which one? That is our 0 index, right? So that is the 0. So that means here also that should be print as a 0. If you now click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh, now you can see it's also print as a 0. I hope friend you get some of the idea. And also if you want to get that another one, like if there is actually repeated, like here there is a repeated and also that is repeated in here. Okay, if you want to get that our second index, that means the second repeated keyword index, then you can also get it with another method. Better I copy it and I paste it. There is another method as a lastIndexOf. Okay, I want to load as a lastIndexOf. So with this method, now I want to get our, this will be get our this index data, like I show you. If you now click as a save all, so that is a 0, 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means it should be display as a 14. Now click as a, let's check this out, click as a refresh. There is another error as a type error message, last index is not function. Okay, you can see it's not as a function because of all. Better I want to remove it, and here I want to load that lastIndexOf. Okay, there is a lastIndexOf. Now it's perfect. Now if you click as a save all, now refresh it, yeah, you can see it's not perfectly display as a 14. I hope friend it's very much clear to you what exactly that means. So that is our repeated keyword. So when you use that as a lastIndexOf in our repeated keyword, it will be get our last one index data. Okay, that means last one index is a 14, it's display as a 14. When you use that as an IndexOf, then our repeated keyword, that is our repeated keyword as a hi, it will be get our first occurrence, first index data. So first index data actually here as a 0. For the reasons you can see it's not display as a 0. And search is the same thing. I hope friend you get some of the idea. Just simply remember all that our method name as a search, IndexOf, and then lastIndexOf. Okay, in our next video I want to continue this process. I will also share some of the another string method. I hope you like it very much. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.